Hey guys, so I have recently been obsessed with the voice Sri Lanka. It makes me so happy to see so many talented Lankan people on an international platform like that. Also, I have been mesmerized by Umaria's makeup look, so I've recreated that look for you guys today. I hope you like it. As always, I'm starting off with my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. This gives sort of a seamless base to work with, which is really important, especially if you're going for glam looks. Just really gotta get the base right. Need I say more? I'm using my favorite Peach Perfect foundation in the colors Sand and Warm Sand. These together make the perfect shade for me. Today I'm using my MAC 170 foundation brush instead of a makeup sponge, just because I feel like it really. It's always good to mix it up a little, and I'm just making sure that I get it into every little corner of my face. Next up, I'm using my favorite concealer duo from MAC and NARS. As you can see, I am definitely keen on mixing up shades, and that's a common thing to do, especially for those of us with brown skin, to get that perfect shade. It just adds a bit of lightness, a bit of brightness to the hyperpigmented areas, and you can either use your fingertips or a makeup sponge or, of course, a brush for this. I tend to set my concealer right after this, and the Mercier translucent powder is my go-to. It just means that the concealer will be less likely to settle into those annoying lines which I hate. So it's one less thing to worry about, and you can be confident throughout the day. Umaria's eyebrows are gorgeously thick, so I'm using my favorite Benefit products to try and get the same effect. Precisely My Brow Pencil is keen for this because I get to comb and fill in between my eyebrow hairs to make it look fuller. I've got the color 4 in this, and it seems to suit my hair color really well. If you are lucky enough to have really thick eyebrows, you might not even need it. And then of course I make sure that it's set in place with my Gimme Brow and 24-hour brow setter. Now for the exciting eye look. I'm priming my eyes with the Urban Decay Anti-Aging Primer Potion. This helps keep all the products on the lid and not melt onto your face, which is definitely something I've had to deal with when I was younger, but I definitely know better now. I'm using a bit of matte concealer on the lid to create a blank canvas to work with. This is particularly important when you're using lighter colors, but I'm going to do that here anyway. I've never actually bought a NARS eyeshadow palette, but when I saw this, I loved the look. This is the limited edition Claudette palette, which has 6 warm neutral shades in matte, satin and shimmer finishes. So I'm taking this deep orangey brown color to begin with and using this as my crease color. With eyeshadows, start light and work your way up, but if you accidentally put too much, just blend it out. Blending is probably the thing that takes me a long time to do with eyeshadow looks, but it's key to get that perfect seamless look. I'm deviating slightly and using this teal color from the Urban Decay Born to Run palette, and then carefully adding this to the middle of my lid and blending my life away. At first you'll think this is never going to blend given how different the colors are, but trust me, it does. Just takes a bit of patience and perseverance and just a hell of a lot of blending. Then I'm taking this deep brown color from the NARS palette and patting this onto my outer corner. This gives a 3D effect to the whole look, and I try and blend it with the crease color as well. This becomes very important later on when we put the loose glitter, so take your time doing this. I'm using the MAC Definitely Black eyeliner to line my lash line. And for those of you who have an aversion to creating winged liners, I know there are some days that I'm the same. Good news, we are not going for the wing. She wears a bit of liner on the lower lash line as well, which is not something I typically tend to do, but you know, I'll allow it for this look. Before I put the loose glitter, I'm using this NYX glitter primer, and I'm using a flat brush to carefully pat this on. And I say carefully because you don't want all your hard work to go to waste. But this is super important because the loose glitter needs something to stick onto. Now, gotta be honest, I'm not 100% sure about the exact color of the loose glitter they use on her, but judging by the videos, I went out and bought a NYX Glitter Brilliance in the color teal. And I'm using a short, compact brush to carefully pat the glitter onto the primed lid. Some are going to fall onto your face, but don't worry, we can deal with it later on. Just concentrate on getting it onto the lid. I usually try and brush off some of the glitter, also making a point to brush over the lid itself, because some glitter might not actually be glued on and you don't want them falling onto your face once you leave the house. Another trick is to use a sticky tape and using that to remove the glitter, which also works really well. I'm going back with the deep brown color and accentuating the crease and also my inner corner, and that just makes the whole look come together. Another new product I'm using is this Too Faced Damn Girl Mascara. She has gorgeous lashes, so I'm attempting to recreate that with this. Usually my go-to is the Better Than Sex Mascara, which gives more of a natural look, but I needed some more oomph, so this was a good pick for that. Estee Lauder Bronze Goddess in the color Deep is so gorgeous, and I thought this would be perfect for my cheekbones and for general contouring. I've loved using this product because it just gives that perfect chocolate brown, which I'm always on the lookout for, and the application is so smooth it melts like butter onto my skin. Just honestly super stunning. I'm using my MAC Spice Lip Liner mainly to sort of neutralize my lips. This always gives a my lip color but better look because mine has like 10 different pigmentations, which is something definitely a lot of brown girls have to deal with. She has a slightly orange lip color, and from my lipstick collection, I thought this MAC Powder Kiss lipstick in Devoted to Chilli would be the perfect companion. It's just such a gorgeous shade of orange for my skin color and definitely delivered like I thought it would. After setting my makeup with the MAC Fix Plus and Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray, I decided to wear this Fiona Pleat belted midi dress from Forever New. I love how this looks and love how flowy it is. It's super classy and very versatile. And there it is, my take on the makeup look worn by the gorgeous Umaria on The Voice Sri Lanka. I hope I did it justice, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Sending so much love to each and every one of you. Stay safe, look after one another, and thank you so much for your support as always. I'll see you guys with another video very soon.